everyone. Well, since Tapeins seem to be such a popular item in my store, I figured, why not get certified? Why not get trained and learn how to do them myself? So in this video, I actually did some tape-ins on my own hair and tried them out just to see how I'd like them. And I'll tell you this, I absolutely love them. They're so light, so easy, so versatile. I have been having a blast with everything I'm able to do with my new install. And I'll tell you this, since they're so light, it just makes it really difficult to go back to a sew-in right now. But it doesn't mean that I won't. So in this video, I'll share with you the process that I went through using my own products by Sage Hair Collection. I used the curly hair, that way I could have a little bit more versatility. I could straighten it, I could go curly, and yeah, just try some different things out. You'll also notice in a certain part of the video where, since I suffer from medical related hair loss and hair thinning, you'll see some areas where it's a little thin and I'm missing some hair, and this still turns out to be a great option for covering up those areas for me. So I installed the curly, I flat ironed them, I straightened them, and there were some areas where I could have gone back and flat ironed a little bit more to straighten, but I think I got a little bit excited while I was going through the process. So here we are. Let me know what you think. I'd love to know what you think of the final outcome. And if you want to learn more, if you want to see more, please comment below. Let me know. I'll be sure to do other videos showing you installs of other clients as well as installs for myself. So thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.